Hello, everyone. I'm certified natural healthcare practitioner Erin Thole, and joining me today is Colton Thayer from Wei Lab. Hello, Colton.
Hi, Erin. Good morning.
Good
How are you doing?
morning. I'm good. We're about to go into the holiday season here. Thanksgiving is next Thursday. So Colton and I wanted to extend a few discounts and things of that nature to y'all so that you can take advantage of some herbal products to help get you through the holiday season. So Colton's going to talk to us about exactly what that looks like, what those products are, how they can help you, what the discount is, how long you have to take advantage of it, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to turn it over to you, Colton, and tell us all
Yeah,
tell us all the stuff about the goodies.
well, it's the holiday season. We're here. We're trying to do a little bit of giving, for everybody we're thankful for. What we're trying to focus on is people are eating a lot. Maybe there's some food poisoning, maybe there's some overeating, maybe some alcohol consumption, right? It's a fun time, but there's some downsides to it, right? You don't want to feel bad. You kind of want to get through it, enjoy it, and not have the issues. So we picked out a couple of things to make sure everybody's staying healthy and getting through it well. One of them is to help with, say, you overeat, right? Too much turkey, too many potatoes, right?
Hi.
All that. You want seconds, you want thirds, right? Well, what we typically use for that, for the bloating, maybe a little indigestion, right? Stomach aches, whatever, right? We'll use our formula called B and B to help with the bloating, help get things moving, right? So you're not sitting there on the couch for 8 hours after eating a meal, right? Get you moving, get you up, maybe toss around the pigskin a little bit. Feel like you can do it, right? So we use the B&B for that, and that should help out. I mean, sometimes even within an hour, just things are
Awesome.
feeling better. The other one is, say grandma doesn't cook the turkey all the way. You're eating it. Maybe it's, still a little bloody. I don't know, right? Thing is, we don't want to get food poisoning. We want to avoid that. And what we're using for that and what we've used for years and years is our formula called Probiosis. Antibacterial herbs helps to also reduce inflammation of the intestines. And say you're getting a little sick, you're coming down with something, take it.
Awesome.
You should feel better in about a day, right? Nobody wants to be sick for the whole weekend off, right? You're getting time off usually, right? You don't
Mhm.
want to be sick for that. You want to enjoy your time. So we're using probiosis there. And then I also want to highlight, okay, we're going to be around a lot of people. People usually get sick around this time of year. It's cooling down, temperatures changing, seasons are changing. We want to keep the immune system high, right? Keep it able to fight things off. And we'll use our golden flower tea for that. Drink it daily, prophylactically. Avoid it. You're going to be traveling, you're going to be around people, you're going to be out and about, maybe a little Black Friday shopping. Who knows what people got, what they're touching,
No kidding. Yeah. Use it
So,
like all through the season, like drink it daily through the season.
yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't taste bad. Put a
No.
little lemon in there, a little honey. You're
Yeah.
good.
Great herbal tea
Um,
for sure.
And it's also got herbs in there that are antiseptic. So you drink it, it's going to kill germs in the mouth, the throat, the chest. It's going to warm things up, bring blood flow. It's
Mhm.
also got herbs that boost the immune system. So I
Mhm.
love it, especially this time of year. It's good for everybody. The other one I want to highlight is, say you actually do get sick, not food poisoning, but say you get a cold, a flu, the one that happened in 2019. You get that, we recommend our Silverflower. If you got a fever, muscle aches, body aches, fatigue, right? Silverflower can help knock out some of those symptoms, sometimes in the first day, right?
Mhm.
That that helps drive it out. And then the third one, if you're more of a person who, when you get sick, you don't really get fevers, you get just wiped out and you get the chills, you get the bone aches, you put on 20 sweatshirts to try to get warm, right? If that's more your pattern, Woad is a better fit for you. So that's the one we would recommend. So what is it today?
The
Thursday?
16th, it's my daughter's birthday.
Happy birthday, Saoirse. So it's her birthday today. What we're going to do is starting Monday next week to the following Monday, Cyber Monday, was it the 20th to the 27th?
Think
We're
so.
going to be, we're going to be running a 10% promotion for these specific products. And yeah, and just
Call Colton.
for you. What was
Call
that?
Colton. I said, just call Colton and tell him I want the goods, and
You want the
he'll hook
goods?
you up, give you
You
the
know you want the goods, but you just got to call me. I'll be here.
exactly. Yes. So that's our Thanksgiving holiday giveaway that we're doing. What are you thankful for this year, Colton?
Oh, so much. Family, friends. I love the people that we work with.
Yeah.
It's such high quality people, and they're so thankful just to have a solution and a way. And every time, we meet a new person, it's we're making friends, we're building a community, right?
Yep.
And we're sharing knowledge and pointing people in the right direction. So I love that we're able to do that. I'm thankful for my health. I'm thankful for you, right? Like I'm thankful for all this,
Yeah.
like, yeah, good food.
Good food. Yeah. Awesome.
What about you?
I'm thankful for my beautiful little children, my little crazy people. That's probably first and foremost. I'm thankful for just the life that I'm building, the life that I have. I'm thankful for all of my clients and the relationships that I've formed with them. Like a lot of times clients do become friends, which is super awesome. I think it's a unique situation that we're in with the line of work that we do, or we just become like so ingrained in people's lives, and it's so rewarding. It's so cool. So I love that. I'm so thankful for that. I'm thankful for all the awesome practitioners that I get to work with you and all of your knowledge. And yeah, just everything is fantastic. My parents are in town right now from Minnesota, so that's fantastic. It's good to have Grammy and Grandpa around for a little bit to help through the weekend. So yeah, it's been good. It's been a good year, and I'm excited for what 2024 is going to bring too. So
Me too. And I'm really happy that a lot of people are trying to get ahead of the New Year's resolution, right? They're trying to get their health up now because hey, you start now, you might actually meet your goal next year, right?
well, yeah, there's 40 days between Thanksgiving and New Year's. That's a lot of time that you don't have to throw out the window, So I'm actually doing a class at Seasons Harvest on the 30th, which is a farm to market table that I teach at a lot here in the Tomball, Cypress, Woodlands kind of area. And we're going to be talking about just that, like thriving through the holidays, like kind of kick starting into the new year stuff that people always kind of set their minds on for the new year. Like, let's start it now, so that you can feel good and actually enjoy the holidays instead of, just kind of like struggling and dragging yourself through it. So there's information I can put information on that class, the link, below in the notes on this video too, so people can sign up for that if they want to. But yeah, we got a lot of good irons in the fire for the next year. We got this, promo going on right now to get people through the holidays, and hopefully y'all take advantage of it. Reach out to Colton. All his contact information is going to be below, and we'll see you next week. Just short and sweet this week. So
Perfect.
thank
Love
you
it.
very much.
Thank you, Erin.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Too. Happy Thanksgiving.